Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class again. Everyone, how are you today? Okay, I hope you all are fine. And did you send the homework and also the classwork to your homeroom teacher yet? Finished, right? Okay, that's good. And what day is it today? Yes, today is Monday, right? And on Monday this week, in the second session, you are going to do the quiz, right? So before doing the quiz, let me review a little bit about the lesson that you have learned so far, okay? So I will focus on the two course book. The first course book is Hangout and the second one is Grammar Planet 2. So now let's start with me with the reviewing on Hangout book. Okay, so I take some point from the Hangout book, vocabulary, grammar and reading. So related to vocabulary, there are 10 words. In fact, there are a lot of words, right, that we learn, but I just choose 10 words for all of you to learn today, to review today, okay? So the first word is the word bread, right? How can you spell bread? Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread, okay? And what does mean bread? Bread is a kind of food, right, that is made from like tomato and sometimes made from rice, okay? And most of the European people like to eat bread, okay? One more, the word ice cream. You know ice cream, right? Yes, no need to explain, because ice cream maybe everybody, especially the kid want, like eating ice cream, okay? Is it right? And how can you spell ice cream, everyone? Ice cream, I-C-E space, and what else? C-R-E-A-M-I, ice cream, okay? One more, the word shirt. What does it mean shirt? This one we call shirt, right? Shirt. And how can you spell shirt? S-H-I-R-T, shirt. One more, the word pajamas. Pajamas is a, is a uniform that you usually wear it in bed, okay? Wear it in bed. Like have shirt and trouser, and you wear the shirt and this shirt and this trouser to sleep only, okay? Not for going outdoor, outside. Got it? Okay. One more, the word meat. What does mean meat? Like beef, like pork, we call meat. Okay, and how can you spell meat? Meat spelled M-E-A-T, meat. Okay. One more, salad. What does it mean salad? Salad, it's made from like vegetable and fruit sometimes. Okay. So what do we call salad? So salad spelled S-A-L-A-D, salad. Got it? Okay, that's so good. What about paint? Paint. What does it mean paint? Paint, it means you color on something, right? Mean you use the color to color on something. And how can you spell paint? Yeah, paint, you spell P-A-I-N-T, pen. Okay, good. Number 8, cake. We just learned recently, right? Cake. Okay, and cake, how can you spell cake, everyone? Cake, C-A-K-E. And when do you have cake? In the happy birthday party. What about when? When is a magic stick, right? Usually you see it in the witch hand. Got it? Okay, so what do we call when? The magic stick. Sin stick as well. Coat. What does it mean coat? Coat, it means coat is a kind of shirt that you can wear it on the other shirt to make yourself feel warm, right? Feel not so cold, okay? And how can you spell coat, everyone? C-O-A-T, coat. You're right, that's so good. Okay, so what about grammar? What did we learn, everyone? Grammar in Hangout, we learn like how to say you are wearing something, okay? So how can you say? Okay, you can say, I am wearing black. So I am wearing, if you want to say, you are wearing t-shirt, okay? So you can say, I am wearing t-shirt. If you are wearing shirt, so you can say, I am wearing shirt. Got it? And then you can change this one. But don't forget ing here. I am, or you can say I am wearing. Don't forget ing and verb to be here. You know, in the form of present continuous tense, don't forget to be plus verb ing. Okay? For example, I am wearing, and the am here to be, and verb ing here, wearing. Okay? One more. He's wearing brown pants. He's wearing brown pants. So this one as well, when you see someone is wearing brown or wearing something, you can say, oh, he or she is wearing. Okay? He or she is wearing brown pants. He or she is wearing a ring. He or she is wearing blue pants. Okay? Got it? Yes. Like this one as well, she's wearing. Don't forget to be and was it and verb ing when you want to say something is wearing like some kind of clothes. Okay, don't forget. And we also learn about what is it? He, she, wants. Related to the word want, how can you use the word want, right? I also told you about that. So are you, we, they, when we use it with want, we do not need a, right? Are you see? I, you, we, they. So when we use it with the word want here, we do not add a at all. But he, she, and it, when we use it with the word want, we need as. Okay, like he wants salad. Brian, the name, one name like this, so that the word want also need as. So you need to remember. Okay, again. So are you, we, they, when we use it with the word want, we do not add as. What are? He, she, it, and also one name like Brian or Cao or Manette. So one name or an are you, we, sorry, he, she, it. So when we use it with the word want, we need to add as. Manette wants a shoes. Manette wants, sorry, not a shoe. Manette wants shoes. Manette wants bread. Okay, but wants need as. Got it? Because Manette is a name, only one name. Got it? Sure. And they as well, they want, they do not need as. I told you earlier, I, you, we, they, when we use it with the word want, we do not add at all. You need to remember. Okay? Good. One more that I want you to know. Reading here. Reading, I want to review one reading text related to head matter. They talk about what is it? They talk about the type of head, right? Like what is it? Panama hat, non-la, and what is that? Fur head, right? There are 3 different heads, so you can go to read that text by yourself. Okay, please. Okay, everyone, and let's move to our grammar planet 2 book. I would like to review only 2 main points only related to singular and plural noun and count and non-count noun. Okay, related to singular noun and plural nouns. Singular noun, as you know already, singular noun is the noun. What is it? Is the noun name one thing, right? Place, animal, and idea. As I say in a short things, only one thing, you refer to one thing. Okay? For example, I have a dog. So dog here you see without a, right? So dog without a here we can say it is a singular noun. I have a cat here also singular noun. An apple here without a, cat without a, dog without a, like this. It refers to the singular noun. Understand everyone? Okay, that's so good. What about plural noun? Plural noun, it means more than one. It means from how many? From 2 up, right? From 2 up. The noun that has from 2 up we call plural noun. For example, I have 2 children. You know, children here come from the word child. Child is singular noun. And when they want to make into the plural noun, they need to change child to the word children, right? You see children. So children here refer to the plural nouns. So that's why this one we can use it with 2. So can I say 2 child? No, okay? Because child we can use it in only singular noun. So that's why we can use I have 2 children. For book, you see book. You know, normally the noun that you want to make it into the plural noun, you need to add a, right? Like the word book here. You see book because 4, that's why the number how many? 4. So that's why book we need to add as. And this one refer to what is it? Plural noun. There are many house. You see? House also add as. Why? Because many, right? Because many. Okay? So that's why how here refer to the plural noun. Everyone, if they want you to make this sentence into the plural sentence, can you? Yeah, you can. You can say like I have 2 dogs, but dog have as. Okay? There is an apple. So you can write like there are 2 apples. Got it? Okay. So I hope that you understand with this one how to change the singular noun into the plural noun. For example, everyone. This is the singular. I have a book. And then you can change it to the plural noun. You can say I have some book. But book here, what should you do? You add s. Okay? That's why it becomes the plural sentence. Okay? This is the way that you can change from the singular noun to the plural noun sentence. One more. I want you to know about count and non-count noun. What is count noun and what is non-count noun? So count noun is the noun that you can count, right? The noun that you can use with number. Like the word chair, the word book, the word pen, the word people, the word dog, the word apple. So all of these nouns are the nouns that you can count, right? 2 chair, 3 pen, 4 pen, 4 chair, 10 apple, 10 dogs. So all of these one are the noun that you can count. So we call count noun. What about non-count noun? Non-count noun is the noun that you cannot count. Like water, can you count? No, you cannot count, right? We never say 1 water, 2 water at all, right? Okay. Bread also non-count noun. Butter, milk, hair, tea. So all of these nouns are the nouns that you cannot count. Okay? Yeah, that's it everyone for today, and I hope that you can enjoy learning with this video and remind yourself to the exam paper. Okay? Please review it by yourself. Don't forget. And right now let me say goodbye everyone. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.